Ready to truly disconnect from Facebook and reclaim your digital space with a permanent deletion from your PC or laptop? Let's dive in. First, log into your Facebook account on your PC or laptop. Once you're on your homepage, look for your profile picture or the small down arrow icon in the top right corner. Click on that to open the main menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand to reveal more options. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Scroll down this menu until you find your Facebook information. Click on that. Within your Facebook information, you'll see an option labeled Deactivation and Deletion. This is where you'll find the option to permanently remove your account. Click on View. Here, you'll be presented with two choices: deactivating your account or permanently deleting it. Since we want to get rid of it completely, select Delete Account, then click the blue Continue to Account Deletion button. Facebook will then give you a chance to download your information if you wish. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Delete Account button again. You'll be prompted to enter your password to confirm your identity. After entering your password and confirming, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. It's important to know that Facebook provides a grace period, usually around 30 days, during which you can log back in to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. However, once this period passes, your account and all your information will be permanently gone, so make sure you're absolutely certain before completing this step.